Hey guys, it's Thomas. In today's video, I'll be showing you the print monitor. But if you're wondering why I haven't been uploading the past few weeks, well, my SD cards had issues, so I couldn't upload for it until I got a new one. But anyways, my new upload schedule, I'm gonna start doing a Thingiverse Thursday every 2 weeks. I'll be uploading a video every Thursday, and every other Thursday, and then in the Thursdays in between, I'll be uploading a video, like miscellaneous video like this, which is coming soon. Of course, this is one of them. Okay, and a miscellaneous video would be me. This is part of a Halo helmet I'm using too. So that'd be and finishing a minute. So yeah, so let's get started. So this is the print monitor up close. It looks just like this. Kind of had to Frankenstein the back. But first, I'm going to get a close-up of what this looks like when it's turned on. So all it requires is a micro USB connection. So let's plug this into the back. This way, yes. And it'll turn on. Printer monitor by Chrome. V1.2. Yeah, so this is the IP used to connect to it. That 100. Port 80. So this is booting up right now. Let me tell you, it looks a lot better in person than it does on camera. But here it's displaying my print options, like what my printer's doing. So time remaining 10 hours. If you're wondering what I'm printing, it's more parts to the Halo 4 helmet. There's a Wi-Fi bar right there. Your percent of how much it's done and your time. And here's a bar for how much it's done. And this is the time remaining screen. Next it'll scroll to the, scroll. Go. So updates every 10 seconds. Okay, it's got its printing time, how long it's been printing. And then its temperature, which is 50 Celsius on the bed and 205 on the thing. I'll show you guys how this works. So I'm not going to do a build video on this or anything. Chris Riley has a great tutorial. I'm going to link him in the description. Great tutorial on this. I used a bit of silly putty to seal this. Okay, get open. Okay, so inside it uses a Wemos D1 Mini ESP8266 Wi-Fi module, and I use a bit of putty to seal it in, but it just slides right in. And then it uses a 128 or 138, whatever it is, by 164 display to do it all. And you only need 4 wires to wire the whole thing up. And it's Wi-Fi enabled. So it's connected to my Octoprint instance. So let's close this back up. There. So this is probably one of the coolest things I've ever made. The parts cost about 20 bucks, and you need it. And I'll have a link to the Instructable and the 3D printed parts in the description. It took about 2 hours to print, so let's get to the time lapse now. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video on the Wemos D1 Mini and the display little 3D printer monitor. This can be hooked up anywhere in your house as long as you have Wi-Fi there. It's got to be on the same network though. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. As always, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So bye!